Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by putting both devices on the same network and confirming account parity. Sign in to the Xbox app with the exact Microsoft account used on the console. On the console, enable remote features and set power mode to instant on so it can wake for streaming. Once done, make sure console connection settings allow connections from the app and that network discovery is active. These first actions let the app detect your console and create the secure link you need to proceed. Open the Xbox app and tap Consoles or Remote Play to search. If your console appears, select it. If not, choose Add a Console and enter its IP address or the pairing code shown on the console. The app will initiate a secure handshake. Approve the incoming connection on your console when prompted. While connecting, the app negotiates settings like resolution and controller input. Make sure any firewall or router settings aren't blocking UDP/TCP ports used by the app. Otherwise, the handshake can fail. Finish by pairing your controller through the app or Bluetooth and testing a short session to check latency and audio. If performance is poor, lower streaming quality in the app settings and try a wired connection for the console or PC. Once satisfied, add the console to favorites for faster access. If things go wrong, reboot the console, phone, or PC and router, verify both devices use the same Microsoft account, and reattempt pairing. This resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.